Welcome back to Omni Football. Today we are bringing you the Cali Classico, or the Cali Classic, which is a meeting between the LA Galaxy and the San Jose Earthquakes. This is a rivalry that's been basically since day one of the MLS, and today was the 100th meeting between the teams. So, pre-match prediction. What do we think for the 100th edition of the Classico?
I think it's going to be a tight game. I know the Galaxy has a much better record, but
Yeah.
I think it's going to be a squeaker. So I'm saying 3-2.
3-2 in favor of the Galaxy?
Favor the Galaxy, but it's not going to be an easy walk.
Yeah, maybe. Maybe. But I think the Galaxy have scored a lot of goals this year so far. And the San Jose Earthquakes have had one of the worst defenses so far. So I'm thinking 3-0. But we'll see. We'll catch you guys later. Halftime recap. What do you think so far?
I think it's a little bit disorganized. It started very slow, I think. San Jose was kind of keeping the Galaxy under control, but then I think they just got out of hand for both teams. So I think.
Well, the score's 3-1 in favor of the Galaxy. Do you think it'll end 6-2? You don't think so?
Probably not.
Not the way they're playing?
I don't think this is gonna be the final score, but it's not gonna be
not that big of a difference, 6-2?
Probably not.
Walking out of the game 4-3. What do you think?
I think the Galaxy attack gets a little selfish sometimes.
They don't make the extra pass, you mean?
And they could have maybe finished the game. They could have finished the game But obviously that didn't happen. So I think both Beck and Paintsel could have done a little bit better with their passing and the final attack, I guess. So if they put at least one more of those away, then it would have been a different game. But it is what it is, right?
I mean, I think the Galaxy did all right in attack. They scored 4 goals, but another red card in the second half. This happened against Miami as well, except in Miami's case, they had Messi on the field to equalize. And I think San Jose is not as good, and they were able to squeak by.
I think I also think they got a little bit too comfortable once they went up. Was it 3-0 or 2-0?
It was 3-0 in the first half, then 3-1.
And then I think they got a little bit too comfortable, and then San Jose came out pressing in the second half.
Yeah.
And it didn't. The Galaxy didn't adjust quickly enough, so they're a little bit too relaxed.
Yeah, and they went up 4-1. But then they gave up 2 goals basically and a red card, so it made their life a lot harder than it should have been.
Well, exciting into the game for sure, right?
Yeah.
So
99 minutes the game lasted.
More exciting than I wanted to be. So.
Yeah. Well, but they won, so we continue on. I think at the top of the league so far, or at least at this point.
They need a defender from Colombia here as quickly as they can because, Cáceres is experienced and he's great and everything, but obviously he couldn't continue because he doesn't have the legs anymore.
Yeah.
And Zavaleta is probably maybe good for like 10 minutes at the end of a game, but whatever. So it just got a little bit too disorganized. And then they didn't adjust quickly enough. San Jose pressing, too many attacks, too many balls into the area. So anyway, good game.
Yeah, exciting game. Too exciting, but we ended up winning 4-3. So at the end of the day, that's another W.